Learn apartment words in English and Gujarati, home vocabulary with
flat
and
padoshi.
welcome home. Hey, you are about to walk through a very busy home and learn useful Gujarati house words without getting lost in the hallway. And if you do get lost, just blame the cat. Today your mission is simple. Survive one chaotic apartment tour and learn these words along the way. Apartment is
flat,
room is
orado,
kitchen is
rasodu,
bathroom is
bathroom,
bedroom is
shayankhand,
living room is
betakakhand,
balcony is
balcony,
rent is
bhadu,
and neighbor is
padoshi.
Ready? Let us open the door. The apartment tour. Picture yourself visiting a new place. I will guide you, and you just enjoy the story and repeat the Gujarati words when you hear them. You arrive at a cheerful little apartment or
flat.
The owner says, "Welcome to the
flat."
Please ignore the plant wearing sunglasses. You step inside the first room, the
orado,
and immediately feel proud because yes, you now know the word for room. To the left is the kitchen,
rasodu,
where something smells amazing and slightly suspicious at the same time. Straight ahead is the bathroom,
bathroom,
which is very clean, almost too clean, like it has never met a real human. Next comes the bedroom,
shayankhand,
quiet and peaceful, unless your phone starts shouting at 6 a.m. Then you see the living room,
betakakhand,
with a sofa so soft it could probably solve emotional problems. And finally, the balcony,
balcony,
where you can drink tea, wave dramatically, and pretend you are in a movie. Meet the rent and the neighbor. Every apartment story becomes more realistic when money appears and a neighbor knocks at the door. Here comes both. The landlord smiles and says, "The monthly rent is
bhadu."
You smile back in a brave way, the way people smile when their wallet starts crying softly. Then your neighbor,
padoshi,
appears holding a cup of tea and too much information. "Hello," says the
padoshi.
"I know everyone, everything, and exactly who keeps stealing my balcony flowers." Now repeat. Rent is
bhadu,
neighbor is
padoshi.
Very good. Your vocabulary is now officially paying bills and borrowing sugar. Funny mini dialogue. Let us make the words move with a short dialogue. Listen first, then repeat your favorite lines. A. Where do you live? B. I live in a
flat.
A. Is the
flat
big? B. Not big, but my dreams are enormous. A. Where is mom? B. She is in the
rasodu.
A. Where do you sleep? B. In the
shayankhand.
A. Where do guests sit? B. In the
betakakhand.
A. Where are the plants? B. On the
balcony.
A. Who lives next door? B. My
padoshi.
A. And what do you pay every month? B. Painfully, I pay.
bhadu.
Memory drill around the house. Now you will do quick memory jumps from place to place. Short, simple, and very good for recall. Say it with me. Apartment,
flat,
room,
orado,
kitchen,
rasodu,
bathroom,
bathroom,
bedroom,
shayankhand,
living room,
betakakhand,
balcony,
balcony,
rent,
bhadu,
neighbor.
padoshi.
One more fast round.
Flat, orado, rasodu, bathroom, shayankhand, betakakhand, balcony, bhadu. પડોશી.
Quick quiz. Time for a tiny test. No pressure. Even the sofa believes in you. What is the Gujarati word for apartment?
ફ્લેટ.
What is the Gujarati word for room?
ઓરડો.
What is the Gujarati word for kitchen?
રસોડું.
What is the Gujarati word for bathroom?
બાથરૂમ.
What is the Gujarati word for bedroom?
શયનખંડ.
What is the Gujarati word for living room?
બેઠકખંડ.
What is the Gujarati word for balcony?
બાલ્કની.
What is the Gujarati word for rent?
ભાડું.
What is the Gujarati word for neighbor?
પડોશી.
Your home challenge. Now use the words for your own life. This is where memorizing starts turning into speaking. Try saying these out loud. My apartment is small. My
ફ્લેટ.
is small. The kitchen is clean. The
રસોડું.
is clean. I sleep in the bedroom. The
શયનખંડ.
we sit in the living room. The
બેઠકખંડ.
I stand on the balcony. The
બાલ્કની.
I pay rent.
ભાડું.
My neighbor
પડોશી.
is friendly. If you can say even half of that, you are doing great. Friendly conclusion. You did it. You walked through the whole home and came out with new Gujarati words instead of just carrying a lamp and wondering where the bathroom went. Thank you for learning with me today. Keep practicing.
ફ્લેટ. ઓરડો. રસોડું. બાથરૂમ. શયનખંડ. બેઠકખંડ. બાલ્કની. ભાડું.
And
પડોશી.
repeat them tomorrow, use them in your own sentences, and have fun with them. Your Gujarati is growing room by room.